there! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable personalized spatial audio on your AirPods 4. Let's get started. So as a first step, we will need to make sure that our earbuds are connected to our phone and then open settings. Here you'll be able to see a tab with your AirPods with the name of them. So by clicking on it, we'll be on the settings. Here we would need to scroll down so you'll find the personalized spatial audio. Click on it, here click on it once more. And here you can see that we would need to complete a little setup. So we click continue, and then we would need to position our iPhone in front of us, and we would need to move our head to the left and to the right. So I'll do it and I'll be right back. So after you are done with the head rotating on the camera, you can see that we have completed our personalized spatial audio setup. Now we can click done, and this is it. Now you have successfully enabled this function, which is making the spatial audio for the shape of your ears. And now to disable this function, simply click on this button that you can see on the same tab, stop using personalized spatial audio, then one more time, and this is it. Now it's successfully disabled. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thanks for watching.